Ever start chasing a goal full of energy only to lose motivation quickly? Let's unlock the secret to sustaining it. We've all been there, fired up to reach a goal, but that initial spark fades quicker than we'll like. Why does that happen? Remember our NLP filters earlier video? Delete the thought generalization. That shapes our perspective. Sometimes they can skew our world and it makes reaching the goal harder than it is. So to keep the motivation high, we need to align our internal frame of reference with reality. It's about seeing the goal without the doubt. And you're gonna have to watch this video twice, because to get that paradigm shift, you need to break through and get that goal clearly in sight. So how do you do that? You walk the journey with someone that is doing it already, that they have the result in reality. The trap most people fall into is that they go asking people with similar frame of reference to themselves, which confirms their skew of reality, and that is why they don't get where they want to go and stay stuck. So they always say that when you're ready, the teacher will show up. Reaching your goal is easy when you're ready to snap on a new lens to see the reality for what it is. Save this so you can remember this and follow for more.